golden pheasants are famous for their brilliant color plumage. They live in the dense forests and woodlands across western and central China. The adult male is 90 to 105 cm in length, its tail accounting for 2/3 of the total length. Golden pheasants have a beautiful golden yellow crest tipped with red. Their sides and throats are rusty tan. The wattle of golden pheasant is yellow and its upper back is green. They also have dark red shoulder feathers and a long pale brown tail. Golden pheasants are poor flyers and spend most of their time on the ground. They mainly feed on berries, seeds, and insects. The average lifespan of golden pheasants is 5 to 6 years. However, captive birds that are well taken care of could live 15 or even 20 years.